Welcome to the Workspace Creation tutorial. Creating a workspace in ZenInbox is a simple yet powerful way to organize your teams and projects. Follow these steps to create customized workspaces for efficient collaboration and task management. Access the Workspace section. Navigate to the Workspaces option in the Organization section of the sidebar. This is where you can view all your existing workspaces and create new ones. Start creating a workspace. Click the Create Workspace button in the top right corner. A pop-up form will appear for entering workspace details. Fill in workspace details. In the pop-up, provide the following details. Workspace logo. Upload a logo to visually identify the workspace. Workspace name. Enter a meaningful name for your workspace, marketing hub, or product development. Description. Add a brief description of the workspace's purpose, maximum 100 words. Time zone. Select the time zone that applies to this workspace. Members. Assign members to the workspace by searching for and selecting their names. Finalize and create. After completing the form, click the Create button. Your workspace will now appear in the list, ready for use. Manage your workspace. Once your workspace is created, you can edit. Modify the name, description, or members of the workspace by clicking the Action menu, 3 dots, on the workspace card and selecting Edit. Delete. Remove a workspace if it's no longer needed by selecting Delete in the Action menu. With ZenInbox Workspaces, you can create structured environments for your teams to collaborate seamlessly. Enjoy enhanced organization and productivity as you manage projects effortlessly.